What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of the internet and digital technologies to promote products, services, or brands. Instead of traditional methods like newspapers or billboards, digital marketing uses platforms like websites, social media, email, and search engines. Key components of digital marketing. Here are the main areas you'll encounter. Component: what it does. Search engine optimization (SEO) helps websites rank higher in search results like Google organically. Content marketing, creating valuable content, blogs, videos, etc., to attract and engage users. Social media marketing, promoting on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to build relationships and drive sales. Pay-per-click, PPC, paid ads that appear on search engines or social media. Affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and earning a commission. Influencer marketing, partnering with influencers to promote products to their followers.